girl. The girl with the baby, the girl with the shady, the girl that they call crazy, the woman that you know that is not a if, and, or maybe. I am a diva. The famous. Fix this, Mike. Fix it. The famous Ciara. Hello, boobies and bitches and broads. What's going on, girl? It's the famous one, and welcome to TFC. That is such a good, catchy name, isn't it? The TFC show, starring TFC. Well, who the fuck is TFC? The famous Ciara, girl. You didn't fucking know. You didn't fucking know. Bitch, pretend like you knew, and maybe I wouldn't judge you, okay? Hello, boobies. How are you on this beautiful, beautiful, wonderful day? Sunday, May the motherfucking, what is this, the 18th? The 18th? Fuck, this fucking month has went by fast. And you know who's been busy this fucking fast, this whole fucking month? The Carters! Yes. The fucking Carters. They have been busy all fucking month. Month? Maybe fucking a week. Yes, it's been one fucking week, and these bitches been everywhere. Everywhere, everywhere. These bitches fighting each other's and shit. But anywho, these bitches doing movies and shit. I mean, did you see this preview? Did you get it? Did you get a lick of that? Did you see that? Anyone saw that one? Anyone seen that? First, they released a fucking statement on behalf of the Knowles Carter family about the little elevator incident. Who do these bitches think they are to release statement? 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 Bitch, you are not Michelle and Barack Obama. Release a statement. And the news is just selling this shit. Oh, they finally come out of the dark. They finally talk. They released a statement. A statement. Bitch, when any other celebrity release something, it's not a statement, it's here's what they said. Pete Diddy just said this. Oh, J-Lo just responded by saying, Nicki Minaj replied by saying, but these two motherfuckers, it's released a statement on their behalf. Bitch, please. You know what? It was all a deal. That's all. Solange say, hey, I want part of this shit. I want some money too. I got rents that need to be paid, okay? So they say, you know what? Let's go around and wrestle in the fucking elevator, and that should circulate right in time for your album to be released. And then I caught the little news thing where she was on the news and they were going to talk to her about her new album. And the first thing she said, I don't like how you introduced me the first time. And, I would like for you not to put me into my sister and brother-in-law business and this and that. Bitch, no one said nothing about them. No one was talking about them, honey girl child. What the fuck do you mean, don't put you? Bitch, no one mentioned them but you. This bitch got the fucking nerve. Bitch, you want them to mention it. That's like me going outside. Don't mention I have a Grammy, everybody. No one mentioned that, bitch. You want people to know you have a Grammy, so you go, don't mention it. That's like walking outside saying, no pictures. Bitch, no one has pictures. No one has a camera. Okay? Okay? Girlfriend? What? Okay? Okay. And now they want to release a statement. You're a bunch of fake-ass bitches. Fake wannabe presidential bitches. Okay? That's exactly what you are. And where the fuck is Jules, or whoever the fuck his name is, and Blue Ivy at doing all this shit? They somewhere in a motherfucking Baby Bop toy room shaking their motherfucking heads at y'all dumbasses. That's what they're doing. Huh? Maybe Baby Blue is walking into a room going, don't mention Beyonce and my father Jay-Z, okay? Don't mention I'm their child, okay? Thank you. Thank you. I don't like the way I pasted this, so don't mention anything about my father and mother, alright? Bitch, no one gives a fuck. And now they come out with this little movie trailer that's not even a fucking movie because they can't afford the coins to make it into one. Plus, Jay-Z is a horrible actor. Secondly, Beyonce is a horrible actor. Okay? Okay? You understand? That was horrible. She cannot act worth a damn. I mean, even in the Goldmember Austin Powers movie, she was acting like someone else. What was her name? Brown Sugar, Hot Mama Pants, whatever the fuck it was. Bitch, just shut up. With your dumb... I hate hearing Beyonce talk. She sounds like a dumb bitch. With that Texas accent, she just sounds stupid. She sounds dumb. It's like, what is wrong? She sounds goofy, dumb, and retarded. Like she didn't graduate. She didn't, did she? I know she didn't. That was shade. Shady bitch, yes. So, in this movie, you have Jay-Z over there looking like somebody's fucking grandmother. Look at Jay-Z closely in that movie. Tell me, when they get a close-up of his face, if he don't look like somebody's grandmother that should be wearing a long-ass fucking gown and some slippers and just sliding across the fucking floor to go fix some coffee or something. You look like a grandmother, okay? Horrible acting. Horrible. It wasn't even a 4-minute fucking trailer, and it was horrible acting. The only bitch who acted good in that movie was the bitch shooting at Beyonce, and I wish it could have been me. I just wish it could have been me, bitch. Blank gun, real gun, I would have shot that bitch. I would have traded in a new gun and got a real gun and shot that bitch. That trailer wouldn't have made it out, boo-boo. I would have shot you in the back of your front of your fucking spine, bitch. Whew. I can't be acting like this while I'm preggo. Preggo night. Yes. But that, and then they come out with something coming never. I knew it was never coming out, bitch. I'm gonna admit, when I looked at the trailer and I thought it was really a movie they were working on, I was like, Future, get the fucking camera rolling. We're about to go. We're about to get, I don't give a fuck, baby bump or not. We gonna do us a movie, honey. They run, we walk, because I'm pregnant, okay? Our movie would have been called Walk. Walk. That's what we would have been doing, okay? Alright? Okay? Okay, just checking on you. But this, it was just so horrible. It was a waste of fucking time. And these bitches still got the views. They still got the coins from it. Y'all motherfuckers are stupid for liking that shit. Stupid. Just stupid, girl. Anyway, I'm thinking about getting me a podcast and coming out with my own The Famous Sierra radio show. Tell me what y'all think about that. Who would subscribe? I would love to do that one of these days sometime. I don't know. In the mid-future. Who knows? Anyway. Surprise Solange won in this movie. That would have shook every fucking body. But anyway, boobies, I love you all. Let me know what you think about the trailer. Let me know that it fooled you. It didn't fool me. I knew the bitches didn't have the coins, didn't have the cha-chings to do this. All to get ready for this boring-ass fucking tour of theirs on the run. Bitch, on what run? Who y'all running from? Running from nobody. I don't even think it was Jay-Z really driving that car, bitch. Every time it was speeding, you didn't see you or him in it. And she over there shooting guns and shit. Who was you shooting at? The police car wasn't even beside you, bitch. You were shooting at the camera that was recording you. You weren't shooting at no... Bitch, you're just stupid. Houston bitches don't know nothing about shooting, okay? Your dumb ass. Shut your ass up. I don't even want to hear her talk. She just sounds stupid. That's right. If you wonder why I always hate this bitch, I hate this bitch. I don't give a fuck if God recreated her and sent her back. I will hate that bitch. If God came to me and said, this is the one, Sierra, I'm going to say, fuck that one. Fuck that one. I fuck with the rest, but fuck that one. I don't like her. I don't like her. You look at her, she look like she's a classy bitch. She opens up her mouth, there's all the classless you need. Because the bitch is a retard. The bitch is a retard. She is stupid. Didn't even know how to sit down with her fake baby bump. She didn't know how to protect that. Everyone knows you get a water bump, okay? You get a water bump. Stick it in the freezer. It'll be nice and hard when you get time for an interview. Okay? Okay? Okay. Let me stop. I think my baby's hungry. I'm hungry. Boo-boo, you gonna fix us something to eat? Oh, he's getting ready for his new album. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, baby. I'm sorry. I love when he's talking that T-Pain voice. I love you all. Smooches, pooches. Love you, boobies. Remember to subscribe. Remember to thumbs up this video, motherfuckers. Yes! Motherfuckers. Anyway, thanks for joining me in the famous...